Today I will show you how to record your voice or your audio with the program of Audacity. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your program, Audacity, and after this just go to audio setup. Okay, first here you can open your playback device, like when you are recording. After that, just you can use to hear your voice, okay, with your headphone or with your microphone or with your cask. Okay, you can use what you want. Okay, okay, after this is we need it like a recording device. Okay, with your PC or with your microphone. I have like a microphone, wireless microphone. This is like Bluetooth microphone. Okay, and you can use like microphone of your PC. Okay, I just use microphone wireless. Okay, after this, and this is like a recording channel, like the best it's like stereo, like have LR double. Okay, just click to stereo, do this. Okay, after this just click this in the red, did you see, like shift R. Okay, and click. After this you are now recording everything, it's okay. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.